Okay, so for a problem like this, what you need to do is consider both the numerator and the denominator as two separate calculations. So first of all, you need to do the combination formula for 4 items selected from 26. So let's do that part first. So our total is 26. So we've got 26 factorial over 26 minus 4 factorial, 4 factorial. Now when I subtract this, 26 minus 4, I get 22. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply this out down to 22. But I'll stop there because I don't want to do the math. 26, 25, 24, 23, 22. 22 factorial. 4 factorial, I'm going to go ahead and write out. Now I can cancel the 22 factorials. I can also cancel out any values that correspond to the product on the bottom. So I've got 4 times 3 times 2. Well, 4 times 3 is 12. 12 times 2 is 24. So I can cancel this out with the 24. So that leaves me with 26 times 25 times 23. So I'm going to do that real quick. 26 times 25 times 23. And that's 14,950. So 14,950. That gives me my top number. Okay, so now let's do the calculation for the bottom number. So we've got 52 factorial over 52 minus 4 factorial, 4 factorial. So what I need to do here is think about what this is. 52 minus 4 is going to be 48. So I'm going to write out this top number down to the 48. 52, 51, 50, 49, 48 factorial over 48 factorial. And again, the 4 goes to 4, 3, 2, 1. Now I can cancel out the 48 factorials and get a smaller number. Here, I can do those all together like I did up here, or individually. When I look at that individually, it might be a little bit easier for me. Doesn't matter. I know that 2 goes into 50 25 times. And I know that 3 goes into 51 17 times. Then the 4, let's see. Yeah, 1, 2. 4 will go into 52, 1, 3, 13 times. So then my final number here is 13 times 17 times 25 times 49, which is, wow, it's a big number. 270,725. So that's my final fraction. Now I divide that out. 14,950 divided by 270,725 is 0.055. So that's the value that you get when you multiply both of those combination formulas out and divide them by each other. So if you're looking at this as a probability, that's a very small probability.